Hi, I'm Daza Greenwood, a scientist at the MIT Media Lab, and I run the consulting company civics.com, and we are organizing the Sovereign Legal Identity Challenge, one of the challenges that teams can choose to create projects for as part of the Computational Law and Blockchain Festival this weekend on March 16th through 18th. So if you're a team, we want to encourage you to join, and we're joined now by one of the esteemed members of the judging panel for this challenge, Elizabeth Reneris, to give a quick overview about what the challenge is and encourage you to join. Elizabeth?
Hey, Daza. It's great to be here. Very excited to be helping judge this incredible challenge on sovereign legal identity. I, as you know, have a small boutique law practice based in Washington, D.C., is helping to sponsor the event this weekend. And I'm also global policy counsel to Evernym, which is a digital identity company. So as we all know, we now live in a post-Equifax world where it's plain and clear that identity as we know it is broken. So this challenge is about thinking about how we can fix the broken problem. The first option, of course, which comes to mind, is to take the existing model and improve it or change it. And I think at this stage, many of us who've been thinking about it, have been personally impacted, know that that model is probably untenable. So another option, which is the theme for this challenge, is to think about how we can hack the identity question, throw out the existing models, start over again, and reconceptualize how we should build identity from the ground up. So we're going to think about it as a new deal on our data, on our personal data. So for the challenge participants, and I hope everyone will participate, there's no prior knowledge required. It's just thinking about something that we all know instinctively to be true, and thinking about the principles that should guide how we hack the identity question. And Dazzle's got some more logistics for you.
Yep. You're here. Thanks, Elizabeth. And so that's right. If you know a lot about identity and digital identity systems and so forth, great. Do the challenge. If you don't know a lot about it, do the challenge and learn. So this is for everybody. It's partly to catalyze a conversation. And so we're looking ideally for teams that can think it through. And we have resources on our page for you to review and to see examples of technologies and business models, legal frameworks that enable people to utilize a digital identity that's really their own digital identity. It's what we mean by sovereign, and use it across systems in this case. And then also, you could focus on a business model. You could focus on the legal framework, and we'll show you examples of those. You could certainly focus on a technology architecture. And the more of those you can represent in some way in your slide deck and in your presentation about your idea, the better. And what we're looking for at the end is a YouTube not to exceed 2 minutes presenting your idea and some slides. And if you go to our challenge page, you'll see there's a simple form that you can submit at the beginning to let us know that your team is working on it, and then at the end to submit your project. Be sure to submit them before the end of the 24-hour period in your local node, in the city that you're hacking in. So come, hack the law with us. Be creative, make it better, create more ideas, share them, and let's have a great time this weekend at the festival. So thank you very much for joining us and being one of our judges, Elizabeth. And thanks everybody out there across the world who's operating in this challenge this weekend.
Looking forward to it.
Bye.